Hi guys! I will show you how you can fix jammed brake piston and make your brakes not to burn at least for 1 month. This is way you can do it if you are a student or you have no time, maybe money to go to service to fix it for you. But don't forget that this method is not for long-lasting results. Make sure that you have everything to get your wheel off. As you can see, brake disc is not spinning properly. It is jammed a little bit. You need to get your caliper of the disc. Let's do it. Remove e-brake parts from caliper. But this is needed for cars that have caliper like I have. Maybe your car will not need this part. Get caliper off of the disc. Remove outer and inner pads. Clean that parts of brake pads that have touching points with bracket. Get out mounting pins and clean it very well. As you can see, it's stuck inside. Press a little brake pedal to get piston outside, because I think that is our problem, that brakes is sticking and burning. Spray some grease in the piston to get that lubrication. And then screw piston back. I recommend to do this operation at least 3 times. Clean bracket from dust and rust. But please don't forget that this method is not meant to fix your problem for a long time, is short period problem fixing. And you need to go to mechanic ASAP. Screw back everything that you screwed off.